Hey everybody, good afternoon. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So just a little update. This is ready to roll. It leaves in the morning. Put cardboard over the back window because of course those are priceless and very hard to find. But it's ready to go. It looks good, all put back together. I mean, it's just temporary for shipping, but there we have it. All right, guys, I'll check back in the morning when it actually gets picked up, and I'll film all of that. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed afternoon.